Today we're going to talk about the Besam SwingMaster control and how to fix it. The two capacitors with the dots on the top of them, centered in between the 12-volt regulator and the 24-volt regulator, are very common to dry out. So if you're having voltage problems, you might want to start with these capacitors first before repairing any other parts of your control box. And if you have no 24 volts or 12 volts, you need to check the positive and negative on the bridge and make sure it's putting out voltage. When you measure these 2 points on the 12 volt regulator, you should get 12 volts. On the input, it should be, I believe, 17 to 24 volts DC. You can cut the trace jumper on the side of the terminal strip to separate the circuit to make sure that your 12 volt regulator is actually working. If you're not getting an activate and your safety circuits are not working, these chips below here, 1, 2, 3, and 4, are the chips that you need to start looking at. I've listed the chips and the function that they do in this control box. So the chip number 2, if the activate's not working, chances are it could be bad. So this is kind of a generic idea of how this actually works. If you're having problems with the doors slamming open and you have no opening speed adjustment, then the 2 transistors and 2 diodes there could be shorted out. All you have to do is just use your ohm meter and ohm them out. If they ohm out fine, then chip number 5 is probably bad. There's a pretty good chance that your relay is going to be bad, so it's common practice to change this out. It causes issues such as doors slamming or doors just won't open at all. It's a very simple check. If your relay does not pull in, this transistor here where I've had the red dot in the far right corner, it could be broken. Check and see if it's physically damaged. If you have all your voltages just right and it still doesn't work right, check and make sure this trace is not burned out. That's a common problem with these as well, they will burn this trace. To fix that problem, just take a metal lead off of a resistor or whatever and solder it across it. And troubleshooting the dual control is the same as troubleshooting the single control. It's the same circuit, just duplicated twice. Common problems with these was the fuse towers have cold solder joints on them. If you have any questions or comments, just leave it in the comment section down below. If you want me to repair your control box, send me an email. We'll work out a deal. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.